To redeem rewards or cashback from your RBS credit card, follow this step-by-step guide. First, you need to check if you have accumulated enough rewards or cashback points on your credit card. You can do this by logging into your RBS online banking account or by using the mobile app. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Rewards or Cashback section to view your current balance. Next, you need to understand the redemption options available to you. RBS credit cards typically offer rewards or cashback in the form of vouchers, gift cards, or direct credit into your bank account. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Now, let's proceed with the redemption process. If you want to redeem your rewards or cashback for vouchers or gift cards, you can select from a list of participating retailers. Simply browse through the available options. Select the voucher or gift card you want, and confirm your redemption. If you prefer to receive your cashback as a direct credit into your bank account, you can choose this option and enter the amount you want to redeem. Make sure you have sufficient rewards or cashback points to cover the amount you are redeeming. After confirming your redemption, you will receive a confirmation email or message from RBS. This will include details of your redemption, such as the amount and the expected timeframe for receiving your reward or cashback. It's essential to note that some redemption options may have specific terms and conditions, such as minimum redemption amounts or expiry dates. Always review these terms before making a redemption to ensure you are getting the best value from your rewards or cashback. To get the most out of your RBS credit card rewards or cashback, make sure to regularly review your account and redeem your points before they expire. You can also set up alerts or reminders to notify you when you have accumulated enough points to redeem a reward. By following these steps and understanding the redemption options available to you, you can easily redeem your rewards or cashback from your RBS credit card and enjoy the benefits of your loyalty. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your credit card and redemption options to maximize the value of your rewards or cashback.